Assalamu alaikum everyone. After long time, today we are coming to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel everyone. Today we are making chicken capers. Okay. In Arabic, kabir. In Hindi also kabir. Okay. This is very nice, very delicious things. Okay. Capers. We have chicken, we have garlic, ginger, everything we already prepared. Okay. Onion, tomato. Now we just start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we just make onion yani caramelize little bit brown, and then we put garlic and ginger also. Okay, inshallah our food becoming very nice. Inshallah you will like, guys. Now guys, still we making saute our onion. Okay, keep onion little bit brown, then we put the ginger. We just wait for the brown. Now guys, we just mix and we add garlic and ginger now also. Now guys, I want to add salt also first. Yani, I think 1 teaspoon. This one enough. Now I want to add tomato. And then we just close again for 1-2 minutes. Okay. Now guys, we just check and we mix. Okay. Now guys, I want to put mixed masala. Okay. Yeah. 2 teaspoons, sorry. And then I put, I think, 1 spoon turmeric powder. Okay. Let's mix this one. Some water. Now we will close for 1 minute only. Okay. Now guys, we will check. Okay. It's done. Okay. Now I want to add chicken. Now again we close for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes we just mix it, and then we add kabir. guys, we just mix it. Now again we close for 2 to 3 minutes. Now guys, we need to just mix it, and then we add pepper also. I think few minutes will we just fry it. Now guys, we mix it again. It's already fried, chicken is done. We need to put the here also, pepper. Before I already boiled this, Now again we close for few minutes, and then we put some water after. Now guys, we just check it, mashallah, mashallah. Okay, smell is very good. We need to close more 2 to 3 minutes. After inshallah done after 3 minutes, Now guys, we will check. We put some water. Done. It's already cooked. Okay, we need to put some water. It's enough. Again we close for 2 minutes, and then inshallah finish. Okay, bismillah. Now guys, we will check here. Oh mashallah, it's already done, we need to just close the cooker. It's okay. Guys, our food is ready. Okay, I will show you after eating time. See you after 5 to 6 minutes when I bring in my table. Thank you so much guys. Now our food is ready, our chicken capers. Okay, now I start. Bismillah. Now Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nice. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you guys.